What if building a premium website, the kind with smooth animation, luxury gradient and a design that actually looks expensive, took you less than 2 minutes? So this is not a template, not a page builder. So it's real, fully custom, production ready website which is built from scratch. And this is exactly what I'm going to show you today. Look at this website. This looks absolutely amazing. And this was built in under 2 minutes. So if you're a business owner who needs a website but does not want to spend thousands of dollars, or let's say you are a freelancer who wants to deliver premium website much faster, or someone who wants to build something beautiful without learning how to code, then this video is for you. So for many years, building a premium website meant one of the two things. So either you learned web designing, spent weeks designing everything in tools like Figma, and then you gave it to a developer to build the website for you. Or maybe you pay someone a lot of money to do the same thing for you. And this entire process is now changing. And I don't mean it's just getting easier. I mean the process itself is disappearing. Here is why. So Google recently released a tool called Google Stitch. And when you combine Stitch with Claude Code from Anthropic, the two tools can talk to each other. So you simply describe what you want and a full website gets built. So Google Stitch is an AI native design tool. You can think of it like a design studio where you don't click buttons or drag elements. So instead of this, you just describe what you want in plain English, and then it is going to generate a full high quality design. So recently they released a major update that made the tool much more powerful, and now Stitch has something called infinite canvas. That means the entire design workspace is AI driven. It also has voice editing, so you can literally speak to it and it will make the changes accordingly. And there is also a feature called Vibe Design, so you can simply type about all the modifications that you want and it will generate all the modifications automatically. And the best part is that Stitch is free to use now. So let us see how this works. So you can simply go to Google and search for Google Stitch, and this is the first link that you're going to get. You'll have to click here. So if you come to this URL, this is the page that you will see. So now let's say we are building a luxury beauty brand website. Okay, so first we are going to generate the design and then we are going to build the website using Claude Code. So for this, we'll have to give a prompt here. So to get the prompt, I'll come to my school community here. So just go to the classroom section here, and on the bottom you can see this is Google Stitch plus Claude Code. So here I have the resource section. I'll just click here and then the Google Doc will open. So from here I'll just copy a prompt. I'll just copy the prompt from here. So I'll open Stitch and here I'm going to paste the prompt. Okay, so if you see the prompt, you can see design a premium ultra luxury single page beauty brand landing page for a skincare serum called Aura Skin, the Golden Glow Serum. So I've mentioned how the layout should look like, and I've also given the design style. And here you will have to select web because this is going to be for a website. And here you will have to select thinking with 3.1 Pro, which means it will use Gemini 3.1 Pro and it is going to prioritize maximum quality and reasoning over speed. So I'll select this option and I'll click on generate now. So let us wait and watch for the final output to come. So now you can see it has given the color palette. So it has mentioned the primary color, the secondary color, and then it has also given the tertiary color and the neutral color. And now it is designing the screen. So now we'll just have to wait and watch. And now we can see on the right hand side our design is ready. You can see this looks really amazing. Okay, so you can see this is the hero section, and if I scroll down below you can see this. So this looks really amazing. So this is one way you can create the design. However, there is another way. So let me show you how. So you will have to come to dribbble.com. So here you can find multiple different design based on a requirement. So now I have searched for luxury beauty product. So it has given me all the best website on this domain. So out of all these designs, so let me select the one that I like the most. So for my use case, let me go with this one. Okay, so if I open this, you can see this looks really amazing. So now I'll just save this design. Okay, so let me save this design. So now I'll come back to Stitch again. So I'll just upload the image that I have just downloaded, and here I'm going to select redesign. Okay, so if you see here, it says redesign existing apps or sites with Nano Banana Pro. Okay, so for this you'll have to attach a screenshot, which I've already done. Now I'll have to enter a prompt. So for prompt, I'll come back to my document again. So this is the prompt. I'll just copy the prompt from here. I'll come to Stitch. I'll just paste it here. So it says I have attached a screenshot of a premium UI design as a visual reference. So recreate the visual mood and style of this design. Use the same color, energy, gradient direction, dark light contrast, typography, weight and spacing fill. And I have given the other details also. So now I'll select the web version and then I'll click on generate now. So now it is going to check the screenshot that I have uploaded and then it is going to design a final output. So now let us wait and watch. And boom, you can see it has generated a premium design this time for us. So now if you check this looks really amazing. So I'll come to dribbble.com again and this time let me search for a landing page. Okay. And out of all this landing page, I'll have to select and go ahead only with one option. Let me go ahead and select this one. So this looks really good. So I'll just download this image for reference. I'll just save this image. So now I'll open Stitch. I'll upload the image that I've just downloaded. And now I'll give a prompt here. Hey, can you please check this design and build me a similar kind of landing page? So I want you to use the same color palette, the same font style and the same layout. Everything should match as it is. Okay. So please help me generate the design. So I'll select the web version and here thinking with 3.1 Pro. So for my use case, I'm doing this option and now I'll hit on enter. And now you can see based on this design, it is going to take a reference from this and it is going to create a fresh new website design for me. And boom, you can see it has given the color palette. Okay. So the primary color, the secondary color, the tertiary color and the neutral color. And also it has mentioned the font that it is going to use for my design. And boom, you can see our design is ready now. So if I zoom in, you can check it. So now you can see our website design is ready. So this looks really amazing. So now let me rename this as green landing page. But the most important feature for today's video is the integration with Claude Code. This means Stitch can connect directly with Claude Code and Claude Code can pull the design automatically. You don't have to download anything separately. You don't have to export anything separately. Everything will happen automatically with the help of MCP. So if you don't know what is Claude Code, it is an AI coding agent created by Anthropic. So it's not a chatbot that suggests small pieces of code. It can actually think, plan, write files and build the entire application inside your editor. So you can simply describe what you want like you're talking to a developer and it will build everything for you. Okay. And all this is done with the help of MCP, which is also called Model Context Protocol. So this allows Claude Code to connect with other tools like Google Stitch. And because of this, Claude can pull the design data directly from Stitch and it can turn into a working website. Okay. Now let us see how to implement this practically. So first you'll have to download VS Code. So based on your system, you'll have to install it and then you will have to use Claude Code. So to use Claude Code, you will have to have Claude Pro plan or Max plan. It is not going to work in the free plan. So in my case, I have used the Claude Pro plan. So let us see how this works. So if you open VS Code, this is how it will look like. So here you will have to select the folder where you will store all the files that you will be generating. So for this, I'll click here on open and then I'll click on desktop and then I'll select a new folder here. So let me mention here Google Stitch and I'll click on create. And now I'll click on open and now you'll have to get the Claude Code extension. For this, click on the left hand side extension section. Just search for Claude Code. You'll get this option and you'll have to install it. So for my case, I've already installed it. So I'm not doing it again. So after installing Claude Code, you will get an icon like this here. So just click on this icon. Then you will have to log in using your Claude account. So now we'll be connecting Claude Code with Google Stitch. For this, we'll be using MCP access. So first we'll be getting the API key from Google Stitch. So once we get the API key, we'll have to get the MCP command for Google Stitch with Claude Code. So there we'll have to mention the API key and then hit enter. After this, our Claude account will be connected to Google Stitch. So let us see how this works. So just go to Google, search for Google Stitch MCP. So you'll get this first link. Click on this first link here. So once you open, this is what you will see. So now I'll have to find Claude Code. So this is Claude Code. Okay. So now you can see this command. I'll just have to copy this from here. So once you copy this, open your Claude Code here, just paste it here. So now in this section, I'll have to mention the API key. Okay. So for API key, I'll come to Google Stitch and I'll just copy the API key from there. So this is my dashboard of Google Stitch. So I'll come here, I'll click on Stitch settings. And if I scroll down below, So I've got this API key here. So if you have not got an API key, just click on create key, you'll get it. So I've already got it. So I'll just copy it from here. So once you copy the API key, you will have to come here and you will just have to mention your API key here. So just delete this and just paste your API key here. So once you paste your API key, you'll just have to hit on enter, and then Google Stitch will be connected with Claude Code using MCP. Okay, so I've already done it for myself. I'm not doing it again. So now just to verify if my Google Stitch account is connected with Claude Code, so I'll give a prompt here. Hey, can you please confirm if my Google Stitch account is connected to you? And if yes, please list down all the projects that I have inside. I'll click on enter. And boom, you can see it has listed down all the projects that I have inside Google Stitch. So now the website that I'm going to design is of this screen landing page. Okay, so I'll just copy this and I'll mention, can you please tell me for this project if you have access to the screen, if you have access to the design.md file, and if you have access to the HTML file. And you can see here it has access to all three. Okay, so it has confirmed screens, design MD, and the HTML are all accessible. Okay, so now can you please help me build the website after checking the HTML file? So I need everything to be similar, and then give me a local host URL which I can click and I can open in my browser. And you can see it has downloaded the HTML file with 365 lines, and on the left hand side we can see the same thing. And now it has generated the website. It's live now. Let me just click here and open it, and boom, you can see our website is ready. So now if you want to change this image, you can simply upload a reference image and it can make the necessary changes. All right, so this looks really beautiful. And this is not like an AI slop website. Okay, so this looks really professional. So you can deploy it using Vercel and you can give access to your client. And even if you want to connect the backend, you can do it with prompting using Supabase if you want. So this is how you build premium websites. So this kind of work previously required design knowledge, coding skills, or a large budget. But now it can be done by anyone who understands the workflow. And the people who is going to learn this workflow today will have a major advantage. So if you want all the prompts and the full step-by-step breakdown of everything shown in this video, you can find it inside my free school community. And if you want to go deeper and actually learn how to build AI automation, workflows, and AI systems, you can also check out my paid school community where I teach everything I'm building. So if you like this video, you can put a thumbs up and you can subscribe to my channel for more such AI automation videos. Thank you so much for watching.